Let's dive into division. 200 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're loving these cool math explorations, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell on Let's Stud. You won't want to miss out. Alright, let's start dividing 200 by 2. Get ready, math whizzes. We look at the first digit of 200, which is 2. We're going to use this digit first. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into the digit 2? You got it, it's 1. Let's check our work. What's 1 multiplied by 2? It's 2. Now we subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Great job, you figured out the first part. Time to move to the next digit. Next up, we bring down the next digit from 200, which is 0. Our new number to work with is 0. We'll use this digit now. How many times does 2 fit into 0? Exactly 0 times. Let's multiply 0 times 2 equals 0. Perfect. Subtracting 0 from 0 gives us 0. Another 0 remainder. Awesome. You're doing fantastic. Keep that amazing focus. Let's grab the last digit. Last one, we bring down the final digit, which is 0. We're working with 0 again. This is the last digit we need. How many times does 2 go into 0? You know it, 0 times. Time to multiply. 0 times 2 is 0. We're almost done. Subtract 0 from 0 and we get 0. No remainder, we've finished. Woohoo, you totally crushed this division problem. We've reached the end of our division journey. So 200 divided by 2 equals 100. We just conquered dividing 200 by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers become easy with practice. Keep up the amazing work, future mathematicians. That's all for this math adventure. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.